Hey, it's me Maulik. I'm 25 years old and working as a community manager at Ikea. I chose to study in France because there are a lot of reasons. But what I believe is gastronomy, education system, lots of welfare benefits, beautiful weather, and you are allowed to visit other European countries. When I arrived in France, my installation was a little bit difficult, as in another universe, where all the people speak French and where you have to learn how to find a place to live. For Christmas 2019, I was invited by Chloe. She is our marketing and sales director in Excelia. And later, I shifted with Hannah and Christian, my owners, where I was in La Rochelle during my masters. And the good part is, I'm still in contact with all of them. When I arrived in France, I didn't speak French at all. I started learning French since January 2020. From there, I deleted my all English options and started practicing in French with TV shows, movies, daily radios, news channel, and even my laptop and mobile, they are in French. Et là, je parle couramment français. I had chosen Master in Management, specialized in Marketing and Sales Management for my Master studies. My first year was in English, just like my previous education. And as soon as I learned French, I shifted my second year in French medium. What's the great about the place is that professors are very accommodating and really listen to you. Having faculties of different nationalities is very enriching for us, and especially to have experience with real professionals is really very concrete. What I like also is that there is a great diversity in the school. You can meet people from everywhere, so it's like even without leaving, we already feel international. During my internship research, I sent really lot of application, and finally I got my internship at Ikea, and later they offered me a work contract. My mission at Ikea, I take care all the social networks and communication parts like Facebook, Google, newsletter and store events, and also I'm Ikea ambassador and create content for internal and external communication like blog, videos, photos, all the marketing strategies, like all. And the best part of my job is my 100% work in French. During this professional experience, I really learned so many things with Ikea. But apart from my missions and objectives, I learned how actually works professional life in France with the touch of European market. To be honest, before 2020, I never thought I would finish my master degree in French and works in a French environment. And now that's what I did. My ambition is I want to see this world from above, not from the sky, but from the top level of my achievements. So, if you want to achieve your goals, you must increase your motivation, dedication and level of determination, and then world is yours.